Alright, I'm here at Olino State Park, about 30 minutes north of Gainesville, and wanted to show this pine tree. It was blown over in a storm, and instead of being uprooted or broken, it just bent like a piece of rubber. I've never seen anything like this before. If you're familiar with pine trees or been out in the woods, you would know that they usually will just snap. But this one stayed bent. It came down so hard it ripped the bark off a part of the tree and part of the oak tree. And it's actually still alive, still growing. So it's pretty wild. Show you the power of high winds in nature. And this actually wasn't during the recent tropical storm. It was just during a regular storm and a microburst of wind which knocked down a bunch of other trees in the park. As you can see, we get a little different angle here. And it's a good sized tree. And it's been here a while. Pretty crazy.